All right, Agent, welcome back. It's day 12. Your mission? Build a totally covert security system.
Our target is an unseen intruder. The goal is simple, silent detection. So let's get into it. So how do we pull off a completely silent alarm? Well, it's all about the right tool. Meet your new primary tool, the PIR sensor. And that P for passive, yeah, it's absolutely crucial. Remember the active sensor from day 8? This is different. Our PIR sensor is totally passive. It just listens. Basically, it detects infrared radiation, body heat. It's a heat seeker perfect for this mission. Okay, let's breach the device and see what makes it tick. Time to see how it really works.
First up, that white dome. That's a Fresnel lens. And it's not just plastic. It's a whole array of lenses.
And its whole job is to give the sensor a super wide field of view, no blind spots. But deep inside, that's where the real magic happens. It's called the pyroelectric sensor, and it's split in two. Think of it as the heat-detecting eye of our entire security system. This is the part that sees. But why two halves? Well, that's the genius part. It creates a kind of digital tripwire. So, an intruder moves, and their heat hits the first half, then the second. That difference? Bingo! That's the trigger. That trigger sends a simple high signal right to our ESP32. Sensor's job is officially done. And get this, we can use the exact same if-else logic from our Day 5 Nightlight mission. Pretty cool, right? And just like that, mission accomplished, Agent. The perimeter is now totally secure. Our hardware is getting seriously advanced, but it's still tied down by a USB cable. That's a weakness. So the real question is, are you ready for what comes next? Because tomorrow, on Day 13, we finally cut the cord and go completely wireless. Mission debrief complete.